Hello! Just got your hands on the all-new JioMotive Lite 4G GPS tracker? In this video, we will guide you through the complete setup process and get you road ready in under 5 minutes. Let's begin with the unboxing. Inside the JioMotive Lite product box, you will find the JioMotive Lite 4G device, Jio SIM card, power cable, relay device, quick start guide and Velcro tape. First, let's onboard the device through the JioThings app. Download and install the JioThings app on your mobile. Alternatively, scan the QR code on the screen to download the app from the App Store or Play Store. After installing the app, open the JioThings app and log in with your Jio mobile number. If you are not a registered user, tap Sign Up and create an account. After logging in, tap on Add Product. Select JioMotive Lite. Follow these simple steps to set up your device. Tap on Proceed. Now, tap the QR code and scan the QR code from the leaflet inside the packaging box. The IMEI number will update automatically once the QR code is scanned. If you are not able to scan the QR code, enter the IMEI number printed on the box and tap on Continue. Customize your device by entering a name, your vehicle's registration number and the vehicle type. Then tap on Add. Add all other details of your vehicle. Tap on Save. You can use both your phone and the device with your existing Jio number. To pair your JioMotive Lite device, check the box on the screen and tap Enable. Please note, once the SIM is activated, the mobile number cannot be changed. Now, tap the highlighted device on the screen to pair it with your Jio data plan. Tap on Proceed. Your request has been processed successfully and a confirmation message will appear on the screen. Tap OK to proceed. Soon, you will be redirected to the home screen where you can see the activation status of the device. In this case, the status shows Activation in Progress. Now, it's time to install the JioMotive Lite device on your vehicle. The circuit diagram explains the function of each wire in the tracker and relay, along with their connection points inside the vehicle during installation. Now, let us proceed with the installation. Basic installation tools required. To install the JioMotive Lite 4G device, first open the dashboard. We recommend installing it on the car dashboard to keep the tracker hidden and safe. Using a multimeter, identify a power coupler with a constant 12-volt supply coming directly from the car battery, even when the ignition is off and the key is removed. In case you are unable to find the power coupler under the car dashboard, you can alternatively find a constant 12-volt power supply in the fuse box and install it there. Refer to the car manual for the fuse box location. Now, coming back to our dashboard installation. Connect the black wire of the tracker power cable to the car's metal grounding point. Connect the white relay wire to the red wire of the tracker power cable. Connect the yellow relay wire to the yellow wire of the tracker power cable. Connect relay wire 1, that is green, to the orange wire of the tracker power cable using an extra coupler pin. Identify the vehicle's ignition point, connector or coupler and remove the green ignition 12-volt wire from the coupler. Connect relay wire 2, that is green, to the removed green ignition 12-volt wire. Now, insert the green and orange wire coupler pin into the ignition coupler slot, from where the green ignition 12-volt wire was removed. Then, connect the red wire of the power cable to the 12-volt connection of the coupler. Tape the blue relay wire securely. Open the cover of the JioMotive Lite 4G device and insert the Jio SIM card. Connect the JioMotive Lite 4G device to the power cable. Turn on the device using the power button and ensure the red LED is on. Please ensure the GPS LED is solid blue and the network LEDs are solid green. Place the cover back and secure the device with the Jio logo facing upwards. Once the device installation is complete, drive your vehicle in an area with good Jio network coverage for some time to activate the device. Activation may take up to 4 hours. Please contact customer support if you face any issues. Once activated, your JioMotive status will appear as connected. You can then view your vehicle's live location on the map. And just like that, your all-new JioMotive Lite 4G GPS tracker is set up and ready to go. Stay connected, track your vehicle in real time and enjoy a smarter, safer drive with JioMotive Lite. Happy driving!